Hello there. I think I'm well overdue to give you a watercolor tutorial. So how about we paint a watercolor swan today? You'll only need a few things: a red watercolor, a black watercolor, and a nice soft bristled brush that's round but comes to a tip. So to start, I've got some of my black that I've squeezed out and I've just watered it down so it's fluid enough to go onto the paper, but it's not too runny that it's going to be a really light grey colour. I still want it to be as dark black as I can possibly get it. We're starting off with a back to front S shape using the tip of our brush. Starting with the tip, and as I create the back to front S shape, I'm pressing my bristles down so they're a little bit thicker. Then I'm going to go in and just add the bottom part of the head. Now our swan is on the water, so then we're going to create a flat line for the start of the body, and then the feathers of the wing going up and then flattening out the top. As you do so, lifting the tip of your brush, we're going to create a few more feathers, pressing down and then lifting up. You don't want them all to be exactly the same. So create some a little bit shorter, some curving different directions, some a little bit longer. I'm going to get a little bit more paint on my brush and start the tail. I'm going to press down with my bristles and raise my brush up to the tip as I slightly curve up. And then I'm going to fill in any of the leftover black and add a little bit more feathers on the wings, maybe thicken the tail a little bit. While I've got a little bit of black on my brush, I'm going to create some ripples on the water. They're an oval shape. Try and use the very, very tip of your brush. If you're pressing so lightly on the paper that you even miss a few gaps, that's perfectly fine. In fact, it's actually going to make the ripples look a little more realistic. And then I'm going to rinse my brush and get some of that lovely fresh thick red that I've squeezed out to create the beak. I haven't watered this red down. The beak has a little bit of a hook at the end, and then it goes into that black gap that we have left. And then you're done.